Hello, Mr. Chew here, wearing a Pacer hat. I do live in Indiana. I am a Pacer fan. This is tray arithmetic. We're talking about subtracting fractions now. After converting mixed numbers to improper fractions, you can use the Criss-Cross method. This is about the Criss-Cross method. Make sure that you go and subscribe. Down here there's a link in my YouTube channel for subscribing to my YouTube channel so that you can search me and see all my other videos that I'm putting up for you. So after you do the crisscross, you're going to add the numerators over the denominators and simplify. So 8/11 minus 2/5. All the crisscross shortcut does is just help speed you up. If you don't want to know every single detail, but you want to get the right answer and you don't have a calculator you can plug it in, then use the crisscross. So I don't have any mixed numbers here, so I'll just rewrite it. And now I'm going to do the crisscross. Crisscross means that I'm going to multiply, and I did that in purple, so now I'm going to write this in purple. Then I'm subtracting because of the subtraction. Multiply across that diagonal. So there's my crisscross. And then we'll use green. Now we're going to multiply across here, which is the denominator. And that's pretty much it. Simplify, done. So now let's go ahead and simplify it. 8 times 5 is 40. Minus 11 times 2 is 22. Over 11 times 5 is 55. 40 minus 22 is 18. Over 55. And this cannot be simplified. Now you may say in your mind, how did he know so quickly that I couldn't simplify it? Because I know that the factors of 18 are 2 times 3 times 3. That's the prime factorization of 18. And I know the prime factorization of 55 is 5 and 11. Is there a common one in the top and bottom? Nope. Means I can't reduce it. Well, that's maybe too much for now, right? Especially when we're doing the crisscross method. Now, anytime you're doing the crisscross here, you have to change to improper fractions. So the way we do that is, when you've both got two mixed numbers here, you take the denominator times the whole number plus the numerator over the denominator. You take the denominator, multiply that by the whole number plus the numerator over the denominator. Now once I have that, now I got to simplify it, and then once I simplify it, I do my crisscross, simplify, and I'm done. 7 times 7 is 49. 8 times 5 is 40. Now I'm just going to simplify this on the same line because they are equal. 49 plus 6 is 55 over 7 minus 40 plus 3 is 43 over 8. So now I'm going to rewrite that and then do my crisscross shortcut, simplify, and be done. Okay, so you remember the crisscross. I'm going to take this diagonal, which means 55 times 8 minus, because I'm subtracting there, this diagonal, and now I multiply across here. And that is the shortcut. Okay, so now let's simplify it. 55 times 8. So I always like in an arithmetic video to do the arithmetic. 8 times 5 is 40, carry the 4. 8 times 5 is 40, plus 4 is 440. So I've got 440 minus 43 times 7. 7 times 3 is 21, carry the 2. 7 times 4 is 28, plus 2 is 30, so that's 301. all over 56. 7 times 8 is 56. Okay, so now I'm going to take my 440 and subtract 301 from it. I borrow here. 1 from 10 is 9. 0 from 3 is 3. 3 from 4 is 1. So I get 139 over 56. Okay, so now that I have that, now I'm going to have to do a division problem. So I'm going to take my 139 in the numerator. That bar means I'm dividing by 56. I can take 2 of those. 2 times 6 is 12. Carry the 1. It's 2 and 27/56. You may say, well, can I reduce 57/56? Well, remember what I did here? 27 over 56. I know that that's 3 times 3. Those are prime factors. I know this is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2, 4, 8 times 7. So those are the prime factors. This is how someone without a calculator would decide, can I reduce it? Is there a common factor? Nothing in common. Nothing in common. There is my answer. Okay, so I know that that was a little more, but I just wanted to pull that in there because that is something that is important. Now I'm going to offer you 2 challenge problems, see if you understand Criss-Cross. So you could always pause this if you needed to see this. I'm going to erase it so that I can set my board up that's got my problems already on it. And we can end this video and allow you to try the practice problems and then check and see if you were able to do them right. So use the Criss-Cross shortcut to subtract the fraction and simplify. Challenge 1. 9/10, 9 over 10 minus 5/6. So 9 over 10 minus 5 over 6. Do the Criss-Cross. And then challenge 2. 11 and 5/9 minus 6 and 9/10. 11 and 5/9 minus 6 and 9/10. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and the link over here. Pause this now and work these 2 problems. And then when you start it back up here on the top, you're going to have a link to these worked out. And down on the bottom, you're going to have a link to the playlist that has all of the addition and subtraction videos I've done up to this point and uploaded into my YouTube channel. I'm Mr. Chu. This is Tray Arithmetic with the shortcut Criss-Cross subtracting fraction method. Do me a favor. If you have a question, comment. If you like my videos, comment. I have several students who will say, thank you, Mr. Chu. Well, it's good to feel like I'm helping because that's why I'm doing this. I taught for 24 years in a public school and now I'm making videos. I'm Mr. Chu. I want to help you learn the fractions. There's Bear saying don't get choked up. And we'll see you next time on the next video.